Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Phyllis of JRC Restoration Decor and Designs. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I want to thank you for visiting my channel today. And that's that you consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button, click the bell, and then select all so that you'll be notified of all future videos that I upload. This video is a very special video for me as I will be updating my home after being in it for over 5 years. These are just pictures of the home when it was being built. I closed in September of 2014 and took possession of it in November of 2014, and I haven't done any updates since. So I am so excited about what I'm going to be doing here in 2020. So what you'll be seeing is a video that I took of the inside of my home on September of 2018. And again, I want to thank you for stopping by and continue to watch my channel for updates that I will be uploading in the future. Welcome to my home. I'm standing at my front door, and straight ahead you'll see a half bath, and if you look down I have hand scraped dark brown wood floors that just goes halfway. I'm going to have that running throughout my bottom floor. The carpet will be pulled up. I'm going to paint my entire house white, get plantation shutters or blinds, and have trim molding and batten board throughout. Also, you'll see here I have 2 doors on the left. This is the garage door and the other door is the coat closet. And now we'll be going into the half bath. This wall where the clock is, that's going to be a featured wall with some kind of trim molding feature. And you can see I'm using this because there's no storage in my bathroom. So I plan to take out the pedestal sink and get a full sink with marble top that has storage so I can store some toiletries. And this wall I want to have some kind of shelving unit to display some decor pieces as well. And now we're getting ready to enter into my living room. Now this is the living room. Back there you can see the kitchen cabinets. And if you notice, I have 2 arches, one with the kitchen, one with the dining room, and then actually you enter into the living area and there's an arch. Those are going to be trimmed with some kind of crown molding feature as well. And this sectional is going to be, it's a 6-piece sectional. It's going to be broken up to take upstairs. This wall is going to be a built-in. I'm going to have a built-in created there, custom built-in, so that that can go upstairs, which will provide more storage for me. And here I'm standing on the steps, just kind of giving a panorama view of my living area. Now here in my kitchen area, I won't be doing too much except painting and getting new hardware for my kitchen cabinets. And the hardware I'm getting will be very close to what my hardware looks like on my refrigerator. And then of course, yes, I'll be getting floors done. That will be dark tile that has the wood look that's going to match very closely to what I have put in my living room and dining area. And then also I may be getting some lighting pendants to hang over the island. But it's not too much work that I'm going to have to do in the kitchen except the floor and painting. Now I didn't show my dining area. You can pretty much see what it looks like, but I edited this video because the initial video is just talking about all of the DIYs that I did in my dining area. But if you look at the different tablescape videos that I have, you can see what my dining room setup looks like. So right now I am getting ready to take you upstairs. I won't be showing you the bedrooms. I'll show a video of my daughter's room that will eventually become my office, and then a video of my renter's room, which will be back to my daughter's bedroom because my renter will be moving out in a month. And then another room that I changed into the renter's living lounge. This is my closet, my laundry closet that has my washer and dryer in it. This room is my daughter's room, which will eventually become my office in a month. And that open door room is the living lounge, which is a bedroom turned into a living lounge, and it has a kitchenette in the closet. These open doors on the left is the bathroom, and then the shut door is where my renter is staying, which is a bedroom. And then this door, that is my bedroom. I will show you videos of these rooms in the future, at least mine's later in the future when it's done. But again, I will show a quick video at the end of my daughter's room and the room that my renter is staying in. So this is about the finishing up of my tour, and I want to thank you all for stopping by and watching, and consider subscribing so that you can follow me on this journey that I have never traveled before.